Hi everyone, and welcome back to today's video. And it's a video I really want to film because it's something new. I ordered from Colourpop. Yay! I'm not even sure you can see this. Oh. Yeah, so I ordered the So Juicy collection, the orange collection that they have because it's orange and I really wanted it. So today we're going to test out the products and review them. And it's going to be like the unboxing at the same time. But yeah, so I ordered the So Juicy collection. It comes with 7 different items in it. So I already have my foundation and concealer on. So we're going to move next to the blush stick. I believe what's called blush and white stick. So this blush stick, let me actually get up the prices for you. This is really nice packaging. So these blush sticks are $8 each. This one is called Under Pressure. And it looks like this pretty nice, like corally pink color. It doesn't really say anything on the box about it, but we're gonna give it a go. So right now Under Pressure is actually out of stock. Yeah. Our creamy, dreamy, first ever blush sticks are the easiest to use blush sticks ever. Glide on the skin, blend effortlessly, and easily builds. Alright, so it's an orange coral shade, and gonna give it a go. A lot lighter in pigment than I thought. So I'm just gonna use this dense brush to blend it out. You could probably also use a sponge, but I like to use brushes for most of my foundation stuff now. I'm not sure if you can tell. I can tell a little bit. It's really nice, really natural. I like it. So next is the light stick in Bullseye. And oh, it's like this like really champagne-y gold shade. That's intense. I'm going to use actually the same brush to begin to blend it. So this is the side with it on it, and the side without. I think it's really pretty. And yeah, I really like this packaging. It's like, it's plastic, but it's really sturdy. Alright, move on to eyes. And we have 3 things to use for the eyes. One is a little brush bundle of 5 different brushes. So we're going to give them a try to see them, because I actually never tried Colourpop brushes. And then we have the orangey glad eyeshadow palette, and then 4 Super Shock shadows. So I'm gonna try maybe only like one of the Super Shock shadows and use some more in the future, but I definitely want to use the eyeshadow palette. Okay, so I have my eyelids primed. I have just a concealer on, and I'm gonna take out these brushes. So I'm going to begin by taking the eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take the shade ooh, this hurt. Maybe the shade Rise and Grind, and I'm going to start by putting that into the crease. Shade is so pretty. Next, I want something kind of wearable because, like I always say, I have work. But I definitely want to do like a bright orange eyeshadow look someday, but I want to keep this a little more toned down today. So I'm just wiping off that same blending brush, and I'm going to take the shade Creamsicle. And I'm going to put that right above that orange shade just to help blend it out more. These eyeshadows are going on beautifully and blending beautifully. Like, wow. So I definitely think I want to dip into the center shade into Clementine, but first I'm going to go into one of the Super Shock shadows. I either want to use this one called Bumblebee or this one here called Flipper. I want to use one of these two and put that on the lid and then go into Clementine. I'm going to go in with Flipper, this one here. I'm going to take so I'm assuming this is one of the shaper brush. The medium or the large, this probably is, because this is, yeah, the medium shaper brush. And I'm going to take it right on the eyeshadow brush. I know Super Shock shadows can be better sometimes to use your finger, so I'm just trying with the brush first. I'm going to put that right onto the center of the lid. Oh my god. This would be beautiful on top of another eyeshadow. And if you use like an orange base and put this on top, all dreams would come true. So I definitely think I still need something on this outer corner. So I'm going to go in with the other shade I want to use as well. I want to go in with Bumblebee. Taking a little bit on my brush. Applying that between the orange and the shade we just put down. I swear these eyeshadows got better since the last time like I bought them, because it's been a while since I bought these Super Shock shadows, but wow. That's all I gotta say. Wow, they're amazing. Next, I'm going to take this small shaper brush. This one here, it's like a bullet brush. And then going in with Clementine. I'm trying to pick a little bit up on the brush. And going into the inner corner of the eye. Amazing. So I'm going to go in back with my blending brush and just taking the second shade we used, so Creamsicle. I'm blending that right below the lower lash line. with my brush again, just taking a little bit more of Clementine and bringing it into the inner corner. Gorgeous. So I'm actually going to lightly set my face quickly, and I'm going to take just this tapered dense brush, a little bit of powder, and tap that into my under eye. One of the other Super Shock shadows in this one called Let Me Pass. I want to use this probably like along my upper lash. So just tiny little angle brush, and using this like kind of gorgeous brown shade, and then just putting it right along the lashes. If not, I have a bronze eyeliner on, and whatever. So these eyeshadows are so freaking creamy. Actually, I'll just watch them all right now. So this is Bumblebee. And then this one here is the one we just used, called Let Me Pass. And this one here is called Monkey Business, which looks beautiful. Watching it here. Sorry, these swatches aren't easy. I can't see anything. I'm gonna have to upgrade to a camera that I can like flip the screen. And this is the final one. This one actually kind of like feels wet. The one called, oh, it's an ultra metallic called Flipper. And right here. So those are those. And they're absolutely gorgeous. Flipper shows up a lot better once you put on the lid, as you can see there. And I actually just saw that they have like this brownie shade, so I'm actually gonna take just a little bit of that and add it in next to the lashes. Okay. So most of my face is done now. Last really but not least is, and I was probably kind of excited about these lip juicers. But again, we have these lippy pencils, and I will bring them out here. I really like Colourpop lip pencils. I think they're really good. So I have two shades called Chi Chi, and the other one is called Parker. Chi Chi is like this kind of like bright red. And then last is this one here called Parker, which is more of a taupey brown. And it's hard to see there because it kind of blends into my skin, which means it might be perfect to put on. So I'm going to go in with Parker. This is a little light for my skin tone, but if I had a brown lip liner, I think it would look great. But I don't have one right now, so I'm kind of just going to make it work and using it just to test it all out. And last but not least are these two Juicy Lip Duo. The one is called Ba Ba Boom, and the other one called is She's Here. She's Here is kind of similar to Parker, and then Ba Ba Boom is like a brighty orange shade, and I don't know which one I want to put on top. So I'm going to use So Juicy Ba Ba Boom on top of this lip. Now, this lip doesn't necessarily match, but I'm just going for it. This is the finished look. Ooh, these look like minty. A little bit of minty flavor. So this is the finished look. Overall, love this collection. Love Colourpop. Wow, wow, wow. So this eyeshadow palette blew me away. Everything blended really, 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 really nice. And it went on like a dream. Very little fallout. The palette itself has not a whole lot of kickback. There's a little bit on this shade over here, but I can't complain. The lip pencils, lippy sticks, they're not my favorite colors, I guess, yeah, I could say, because like the Nude Parker is a little bit too pale for me, but again, I could use a brown lip liner. And then the other one's really bright, which I think is just gonna be fun. Any bright colors are great. These are okay. These are great. They are so comfortable on the lips. I love the minty feel. Why do I keep sneezing? I love the minty feel on the lips. This color is gorgeous on top of Parker to add like a little more of an orangey tone to it. This one I've yet to try on the lips, but I will soon. Actually, we're just gonna try it on now. This one kind of feels a little more sticky. Definitely really pale, but still pretty. I love shiny glosses. Love them. Shadow brushes. These worked really, 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 really good. I've yet to try 2 of them, so I haven't tried like this like face brush or like the larger shaper one, but I'll try them someday, probably soon. Yeah, I love this collection. This is the whole look and review, and I liked it. I just want to show everyone how like it kind of worked. The Super Shock shadows are always great. I'm pretty sure these formulas got better. We'll try them in future videos. Maybe my next video I'm going to do the bright orange shade. I'm not going to keep saying when they're going to be up from now on, because the video said it's going to be up last Saturday. I didn't know when this one's going to be up. It might be Saturday or it might be next Wednesday. My video that was supposed to be up Saturday isn't up because I went away for the weekend to the city, and that was a whole adventure for a bachelor party, which is super fun. But yeah, sorry, I'm not gonna have my videos up when I say. But I love this collection. So I hope you like this kind of weird review thing. I don't know how to ever do these videos. But if you liked what I did for the eye look, which I really like it, because I think it's fun to move your eyes around and see the different reflection on the inner corner and see like this other orange pop there. Anyway, if you liked the video, feel free to thumbs up and subscribe. And if you want to leave me a comment, feel free down below. What eyeshadow palette should I try next from Colourpop? Because I'm definitely making another order really soon. And any other products from Colourpop that you think I should try, let me know below. Alright guys, thank you so much, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye!